Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we're looking at Canvas Studio again. This time we're going to look at adding a quiz to a video. This is something I really recommend doing if video is something you're quite keen on using in the classroom and want to do more of outside of the classroom as well. So in the last video we added 2 videos to our library. I'm going to use this YouTube video as an example for this one. So once my video is in my library, I press on these 3 little dots here and I'm given some options. One of those is create quiz. I'm going to click on that. And we're given some options about how we're going to set this quiz up. Now I'm going to put in plug quiz because my video is about plugs. We can enter a description here as well. Please complete this quiz. We've got some options about hiding question markers on timeline students. I'm not going to do that. And then I'm going to press get started. Now what happens is we get given a play bar along the bottom, a little timeline along the bottom. But you'll notice that there's a little plus button here. Now what I'm going to do is play the video for a little bit and then I'm going to attach a question. You'll notice that I'm 1 minute 15 into the video at the moment and the little plus button has followed where my video is.
Touch. You can get a finger in there. Well, not here, because on the live and neutral pins on the bottom.
Now we've just learned something useful there, that the live and neutral pins are on the bottom. I'm going to attach a question. So I'm going to press the little plus button. And I'm given some options. I can have multiple choice, true or false, or multiple answer. And I'm going to go for multiple choice. Once we say that we're going to add some questions in, I've written up which 2 pins are on the bottom of the plug. We've got earth and live and neutral. I've typed these in. Okay, that's the correct answer, so I'm going to mark that as correct. We've also got the option to add more answers as well. So we could add in something ridiculous here. Oh, sort my spelling out. We can then shuffle the choices that we get. So not everyone's going to have answer 2 is the right answer. We can then give some feedback as well. We can say for a correct answer, we want this to be displayed. We're going to say, well done. That's right. For an incorrect answer, we might say, that's incorrect. We might then refer them to some further reading to make sure they get it right. Make sure you read chapter 8 or something like that. We've got an option for general feedback as well. I'm not going to fill that in at this stage. So once we press save, we now see that along the bottom of our bar, we've got a little question. And what that means is that when a student is watching the video,
on the live and neutral pins on the bottom,
when it gets to 1 minute 21, this will pop up for them. Now, obviously, they won't have the editing options that we've got because we're a teacher setting this up, but they will see a question pop up that they will then be able to answer. Okay? And you can add in more questions as you go through. There are loads of options, true or false. So I would recommend a short video, no longer than probably 5 minutes. And you could add in maybe 10 questions to that to really kind of check engagement and understanding from the video that you've set. Once you're done, you press the done button in the top. And you'll now notice that my library, we're taken back to the library, but we've got something new on this video now. If I hover over it, annoyingly it disappears, but you can see there's a rocket ship on the video, a little icon of a rocket ship. And what that rocket ship indicates is that we've got a quiz attached to our video. If we want to go back through and make some changes to that quiz we've just set up, we press the 3 little dots. We highlight quizzes, which is now at the top, and we click plug quiz. That's the name of the quiz that I just set up. If we wanted to add a different quiz with some new questions, we can add a separate quiz and set that up in just the same way that we've set the first quiz up. In the next video, we're going to be looking at how to add a video to a Canvas course. There's lots of different ways to do that, and I thought I'd do that in a separate video rather than make this one any longer than it needs to be. So that's adding a quiz to a video. Do give me a shout if you need any help setting that up.